What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are unveiling their other project, the Seadoo Xp 800. We were looking to get some before, but we just never could make the deal work, so we ended up buying another one. But the good news is this one's in a lot better condition than the ones we were looking at before, and this one runs, so that is wonderful. Working on the registration stuff. As soon as we get that figured out, we'll be on the water. But I figured we go through it, and yeah, there's some things that we need to do with this one, so let's take a look at it. It is, like I said, in running condition. That piece of the trailer needs to be lowered and go underneath, right in there somewhere. But yeah, that's got to go underneath, so that's obviously wrong. It's pulling this front bumper up, but that's okay. We're going to do turf bumpers anyway, so not super worried about that. Not really an issue. It's pretty clean on the inside. It definitely needs some attention, some love, but so far so good. The bar pad obviously looks like crap. It's just something they do, being old, and we're going to replace the entire handlebar set with either like an OEM Plus version, or see if we can find a UMI somewhere. But yeah, that's that so far. The other thing that we have issues with is the VTS. So everyone knows the VTS has a boot on it that fails, and when that boot fails, water leaks into the VTS system and causes the VTS system not to work anymore. So unfortunately, that is something I'm dealing with on this ski. It's not too big of a deal. We'll fix it. But yeah, just to let you know, 2 of the gauges don't work. The info center in the middle works with the fuel, but the fuel gauge float I think is broken, so it just reads empty all the time. Shouldn't be too hard to fix that either, because it does look like it just reads empty. So I think if I fix that float, we'll get that back. But the VTS gauge and the speedometer don't work, so we'll have to fix those too. But yeah, I mean, other than that, the hull's in pretty good shape, aside from needing to be buffed. And then yeah, got everything came with the ski, so let's take a look inside and we'll start it up. Here's a good look inside the hull. So we have that glorious 787 engine that everyone loves. These, it is amazing, super quick, good for like, I don't know, 55, 58 miles an hour typically. That's kind of what they were advertised at. I don't know that this one will do that. It needs a little bit of attention, so just to give you guys a heads up. Most of the fuel lines had just been replaced. The owner before me had some work done to it. It's a little oily on the inside, but I've been doing my best to kind of clean that all out today. It definitely needs like new lines put on some more of the stuff, and I definitely want to do the lines a little different than they were redone, because some of them were done with zip ties, and I want to get those metal crimps like they use from the factory. There's the VTS. Again, that doesn't work, so we're gonna have to fix that. All the RAV valves or rave valves or whatever they call them, they look pretty good. It all looks like it's in good shape. The engine, you got paint coming off of it, so I think this was using salt water and stuff, so that's kind of typical. There's those new oil lines, bright blue. The oil tank is actually in pretty good shape. Yeah, everything looks pretty good as far as that's concerned. Got Corey out here. Got a little action on the bin here. Everything's in there. Looks pretty good. Gotta get those water siphoners cleaned out. I love when they suck things in, they start to not working so good. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to show you guys it run and start up, make sure these gauges are working. And that's pretty much it for today. Again, I was just showing you guys what's going on with the ski. A couple little things to take care of. Obviously, like the trailer needs a wheel post there, and obviously that needs to come down. New tires, new wheel bearings, all that fun stuff. They usually all come together. And then the lights. This trailer has no lights on it, so I gotta buy a kit and just wire it up. Should only take, I don't know, maybe 2 hours to do that, but then we'll be good to go through registration for everything, ski, trailer, and then that should be it. Like I said, a couple fuel line things to do, a couple of paint things to do as far as getting it buffed, new decals. I don't know if we're going to stick with the pink or not. We might. Depends on what the kids want to do. That's really kind of why I bought the ski, was to have some fun with the kids. But yeah, there we go. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe. We will continue to feature this on the channel as another build. So thanks again. Take care, guys.